Looking for a dessert that's silky, creamy, and irresistibly simple? Today we are making the classic Italian Panna Cotta, pure elegance in every spoonful. Start by soaking 2.5 gelatin sheets in cool water. Check the package for the soaking time. Once softened, squeeze out the excess water and set them aside. In a pot, combine 200 ml of milk, 200 ml of heavy cream, and 60 grams of sugar. Heat it gently, stirring constantly until small bubbles appear. Turn off the heat, add the gelatin and stir until fully dissolved. Pour the mixture into a jug, then carefully fill your prepared ramekins or glasses. Chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight until sets. To check if the panna cotta is set, gently tilt the ramekin. If it holds its shape and doesn't slide out, it's ready. Top with a luscious strawberry sauce and enjoy your creamy, elegant panna cotta. Enjoy!